I'm running a set of genuine Osram Domin8r 9-inch LED spotlights on the front of the old D-Max there since they first came out. To say that I've been impressed, well, that's an understatement. You see, they're blisteringly bright on dirt tracks like this one down here if you're gunning down them at night trying to get to camp, or conversely, up the highway after work on a Friday night. But what makes the Domin8rs so good? Well, it's because each light has 40 by 4 watt genuine Osram LEDs. These are the exact same LEDs that many much more expensive LED driving lights use, lights that often sell for well over $1,200 a pair. With an official lab rating of 1 lux at 863 metres and an insane 22,970 lumens per pair, the genuine Osram Domin8rs are insanely bright without an insane price tag. Also, another bonus is they come with a really easy to use plug and play harness, which is so foolproof that it can be used on positive or negatively wired vehicles. Super bright, easy to install, and at less than a fifth of the price of some of their competitors, you'd have to say that the genuine Osram Domin8r 9-inch LED spotlights are some of the best value for money spotties in Australia.